This is our current situation at the moment, on our way to Quartzsite. This is our current situation at the moment, on our way to Quartzsite. Stopped at a rest area to take a bathroom break and check our fuel and do all those little maintenance checks. And Jim made his regular check on the tires, and this is a brand new one. We got a bubble appeared on the tires, so it was about ready to blow, so Jim is getting ready to change the tire. Just another part of RVing, or everyday life, and full-time RVing life. So we're just exercising and walking around here while we're waiting. But thankfully, we know Jim knows how to change a tire. We had a spare, so soon we'll be back on the road to Quartzsite. Jim gets our spare put on and we'll be ready to go. It's one thing when you're out in your RV or just your truck or your car or any vehicle, any type of thing. Always check your tires, make routine checks. That's one thing Jim is very diligent, is the word about it. Think about to always make routine checks, checking the tires, making sure they have the right amount of air pressure and they're good shape. But see, we'll soon be back on the road. We have arrived at Quartzsite at LTVA, being led in by Roy from Roy and Becky's Travels.